So I ended up going to the Willows Academy, which was originally what my parents had planned. But that was a culture shock into itself, because then I was not only thrown into a school that was 60 miles away from my house, which I had to take a train to every single day, I was also thrown into a school that was Opus Dei Catholic, which was very, very unforgiving of anyone who didn't have their religion. And I believe actually on the very first day that I attended that school, very nervous, didn't know what I was doing, just gotten off the train, was waiting for the bus to take me to the school, which I didn't find out until after I got on the bus. The bus driver did not want me on that bus unless I had a ticket, which you could buy from the school. Thankfully, he drove me to school because I had no idea how to get there by foot. Was that a girl who was in my class asked me, "Oh, hi, you're new." I was like, "Yes, I am." She came and she looked at me, she's like, "Are you Catholic?" Because I wasn't wearing a cross, which many of the girls in my class did. And I was like, no, I'm not. I actually don't have a religion. She looked at me square in the eyes and said, "Well, then you're going to hell." And I blinked, and I couldn't process it, because the school before that I'd gone to was full of Catholics. I had never once found that sort of bigotry or that sort of belief, even, that if you aren't part of this religion, if you don't believe what I believe, then obviously you're wrong and you're going to burn in hell for it. And I was shaken from that experience, in the fact that I knew that I was going into a hostile situation, in the fact that I was going to be probably one of the only people who was different.